So I'm done with this concealer. Now I'm gonna blend it because we don't want the line showing. And because I have limited resources, we are going to use this limited resources. I literally, okay, we're just gonna blend it out just like that. So I literally just took what I thought was enough for the look, but this has eyeshadow and y'all can definitely see that. It's fine, I'll cover it up or just whatever. Guys, what a mess, what a mess. Okay, literally my camera is tripping. My camera was low, guys, like fine. So my camera was low and it told me like it's battery low and I charged it. When I removed it off the charger right now, it was literally still low. Do you want to go outside and no? Oh. So like I said, I'm with my little brother. He's in the room, man. He's assessing what I'm doing. He's kind of like looking. I use a different brush to blend this out because I can see this eyeshadow is like in the way. Okay. Literally, I look like I have eyeshadow on. It's so funny because that's not the plan. But it's fine. It's fine. Next up, we are going to be using this baby right here, which is a primer my sister plugged me with. Guys, I'm sitting on a bar stool and literally like it's fire. Guys, can you guys see I have pimples? Like nothing is cute. Okay, my headline is also not cute. Okay, so we're gonna blend this in. Please don't make a noise. Please don't make a noise. No. Okay. So, Sunday, do you want to leave? Okay, cool. So next up, we're going to be using my foundation. And this is a CYO. This is a foundation I bought at Discount. It was on promotion. You could get it for like 50 bucks, imagine. But I saw places where they sold it for about 100 and something, which led to like 200 rands. But it's not there anymore, so you can't use it. But anyways, to those that have it, this is a CYO in Toast. This is a tad bit lighter than me, but I still use it because when it's tough, so it's like you'll use what you have. So I started using it after my foundation finished, and I was like, actually, you know what, why do I look brown? I promise you guys, nothing is going according to plan at this time in my life. I legit look brown this side. What happened? What's happening, Joe? Okay, let's blend that out quick. Okay. I have a sponge on my thing. Let's just use a bit of a brush. Am I making sense? Sunday, how does it look?
Fine.
Does it look nice? Do I look wise?
Yes.
So what? It's gonna come together. Okay, so we're blending that out. Blending that out. Okay, as you guys can see, there are like brush strokes on me. So next up, I'm gonna go in with my Dirty Beauty. Don't judge me, cause I don't judge you. Okay, don't judge me, I know it's dirty. And don't ever blend like that because guys, I'm legit feeling hot. Okay, like how do you guys use beauty? Do you guys like switch on the fan as well? Like what do you guys do? Because I am burning up. Oh guys, I probably don't look like my color right. I probably look so sick. Okay, it's fine. We'll I don't know, we'll do something about that. Okay, so this is the look I am planning on having on Christmas Day. Okay, so yeah, man, Okay, we're still gonna contour my face and everything. So next up, to contour my face, I'm gonna go in with the Wet and Wild foundation, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to do that. Literally, and just like put it on my forehead. But that's it. I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender, my dirty beauty blender. Blend that out. You see? Do you guys see that contour? But obviously you're gonna make it, you're gonna define it with your setting powder. Do you guys get what I mean? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna blend that so I can contour my face, as well as I don't want to look too pale. Like my younger cousin said, he's like, I look pale, too white. So we're gonna have to work with that, guys. Yo, my hairline, I say bad. I didn't even contour it, you know what I'm saying. I need to stop talking because this video is really long. Okay, so right now we're gonna blend the sides of my face, and we're gonna use blend the sides of my nose, just like that. Show me, you scared the shit out of me. So I'm gonna blend. Okay, cool. And then once that's blended out, we have to set it. So we're gonna go in with my favorite and all-time setting powder from Essence, right? And we're gonna set under my eye, set the side too. Okay, I did not use concealer. So we're just doing that so I can highlight my face, contour my face, and jacket there. Okay, cool. Just a little bit there. Let's start with the eyeshadow look. I'm going with a very greenish eyeshadow. So next up, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette. My eyeshadow palette is as shit, okay guys, so please don't judge me. So I'm gonna go in with greens. I'm gonna play with the green. I'm gonna also play with this green right here, but mainly I think I'm gonna play with this with a brown, which I'm gonna get in one of my other palettes. So what we're gonna do is start off the makeup look with a brownish color, which I'm gonna get from this palette, which is this brown right here. So I'm gonna go to the corners of your eye and you're just gonna blend that out, right? Okay. I just use the brown as a base because I don't want my green to look too green. So I like this one better. It is like a blue green, so I think I'll mix them together. I don't know. So this makeup look was inspired by a picture I saw on Instagram, and I was like, what the hell? It's like, no fucking ways, I am going to do this. Pull it down as well. Okay, so is the green coming out on camera?
Yeah.
Very nicely. Okay. Okay, so maybe let me just add to my green and the inner corners of my eyes. I know this looks blue, but it's actually green, okay? So right now I'm gonna cut my crease. Since I left my makeup brush, I'm gonna use the concealer and I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna do a sunset crease thing. Okay. This is clearly not working out for me. We'll make it work, guys. I know it's a shimmery gold color, which is this one right here. I'm gonna apply it here. Okay, cool. So after this, guys, this look is work. Okay, it's a work. Two colors, and we're gonna blend. Oh my god, guys, I don't think I can hide this. I can. And we're gonna blend the gold so it looks neat and it looks like it's fading. Do I make sense? Okay. Right? Right. And then afterwards I'm just gonna blend it out again. I don't know, do I look stupid? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So I'm feeling so hot. This ring light is driving me insane. Okay, I have my eyes going on. Okay, on camera with my lashes on because I don't want to show you guys the struggle. So give me a second, let me put on my lashes. I'll come back, I'll contour and I'll do everything. Put on my lip gloss. And listen, sis, I got you guys.
Quiet.
Yes please now, auntie. Okay guys, firstly I want to say, right, but these lashes are not on. They are got two falling off my eyes. Okay, so and you can see I created a mess, so you guys just take this as eyeliner. My transparent glue is MIA. So right now I'm going to contour my face and I'm going to go in with a dark brown shade. You guys can use like a dark brown eyeshadow color or illegal powder, and I'm gonna just contour my face. It's fine. Also set your eyebrows a bit with the powder. Okay, next up, I'm just gonna line my lips real quick, but I also need blush, which I really don't have. Because I want the lip gloss. I know it's a bit pink, but I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm gonna use funny enough, I can't plug you guys, but this is from Fushini Colors. I bought it like years ago, but this shit is the shit. Okay guys, oh, there's a lot of highlights, but it's very subtle too, so it's not like in your face or anything like that. Do you guys see how subtle it is? Okay, maybe not really subtle. This light is making it seem like it's a lot, but it's really not. Okay, I need to remove the powder here. Okay. Okay, also gonna apply here, apply there. End up by putting on some city spray. And yeah. Does it look nice?
Yes.
Somebody that doesn't know how to feel. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me create this look. If you guys enjoyed watching this, But yeah, babe, I thank you guys for watching and for tuning. Why am I moving a lot? I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. Like, I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. And also to my new viewers, to my new subscribers, hey, what's up? I'm Salome Laka and I'm a YouTuber. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? You know what time it is. But anyways, let me not keep you guys here. That's about it. That's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video, sis.